Sophia. You can teach everybody. See, I ate it with my front teeth.
Did you put butter on it for her?
Nope, no butter.
No butter. She likes it just the way it is.
Me too. No salt, no pepper.
Oh, that's good.
Just plain sweet corn.
Cooked.
Yeah, cooked. Sophia likes her vegetables. You know, she likes carrots. She likes zucchini, green beans, peas. She likes her fruit too, but she's really a little bit picky about the fruit part.
Well, it's all good for her. I hope this corn's going to be good for her.
Okay, Sophia, you about had enough corn on the cob? You did pretty good. I'd say, look, you're almost done.
Ready?
Yep.